try to do your makeup for the video. You gotta look pretty. No. No. Yeah. You gotta look cute. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Okay, it's going away now. You wrecked your chances. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are matching today, me and Winnie. As you can see. Winnie, you look cute. Are you cute and handsome? Handsome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Hustletics set. I have the Bumblebee set. So Winnie had to go because he knocked my stand over and broke the leg off of my gimbal. So I'm currently holding it up by a rock and I hot glue gunned it. So perfect. So for my set, I got a medium in the top and a small in the bottom. The top is $29 and the bottoms are $39, which is a pretty fair price for leggings and a sports bra. Right now they're having a sale on, so the top is $19 and the bottoms are $24, which is affordable. My mom actually bought 2 sets and all together in Canadian, the whole total was $130.94 for like 4 pieces of clothing. That's insane nowadays for the quality that this is. Like, excuse me? Yes. The top is definitely, I would say, medium support. This is actually one of the sports bras that I kept the cups in. Usually I hate the cups. Look at this. Cups. More cups. Cups and then more cups. Oh yeah, here's another cup. Like, I don't know why I keep them. I'm like, maybe I'll put them back in someday, but I usually just hate the cups. Just make it into like some kind of a brooch. Yes. Put it back into that drawer and forget about it for another year until I look in that drawer again. So what I really like about the leggings is they are basically, they're like stitched exactly the way Lululemon Alligns are, which I find is pretty rare to find something that's literally the same, but they've done something different. They actually have, it's like a stitch along the back to help keep the leggings up, and then the front is seamless, which I haven't seen in any other leggings. Like that's a smart move. Smart. Love it. Whoever made these, they knew what the heck. They knew it. They did. I'm calling it right now. They knew. And then the back is, I would say it's very roll friendly, if that makes sense. Like, it's so open that nothing's gonna like squish over or get caught up, if that makes sense. It's just such a nice line. It shows off your back so well. The fabric is thick. It's thick enough that I mean, I would probably wear nude underwear, or I just go no underwear because the camel toe is just like no camel toe, which I love. I don't know, it's like, it's literally like stitched it like Lululemon. Like I can't even express that enough, that it's so safe to just be like legs together, no problem, if that makes sense. And then they have their logos on the clothes are so like subtle. I really like it because I hate just like the big logos when it's like, this is the brand that I'm wearing, but I like the subtle, just like it's cute, very nice. And then I have the little weight logo on front, which I love. It's the H. I worked out in these pants. I've worked out in this set like a few times, and I've always noticed that I don't have to like keep pulling these tights up, which is so nice. They are definitely not sweat proof. I did an RPM class on them and looks like I peed, but that's okay. If you're not sweating in the gym, what the heck are you doing? And if you're self-conscious about sweating in the gym, nobody cares. Don't worry. Like, no one's gonna be like, disgusting. No, they're like, good job. I wish I was that sweaty because you're working really hard, clearly. But yeah, I filmed myself doing some stuff, just like some tests, so you can see what it looks like in action rather than me just standing here like, because you know, that gets boring. It comes in the colors black, it's like a lilac color, and teal, and then this yellow. I have some more coming on the way, so I'll probably have to do another video in those colors as well. I would say the pants are not cellulite friendly. Like if you squish your butt, you're gonna see just a little bit of the dimples, but like who cares? You look cute anyway. I would say they're definitely not sheer, which is nice. I think it's really hard to find a light colored pant or something like this that is not just like looks like silver, you know? Yeah, I would 100% recommend, 10 out of 10 would recommend this set. You seriously cannot go wrong with this set. It's just it's so decently priced, and the quality is absolutely insane. Where has this, I don't even know how this company isn't like has 100,000 followers yet. Like I don't understand. Like their stuff is so good. What the heck? What the heck, people? So if you want to purchase this set, you can also use my discount code for an extra 10% off, which is like, it'll be even cheaper. Like what the heck? My discount code is Janelle. So do with that what you will. Would 100% recommend getting this set. Just saying. I also want to show the Lululemon Aligns beside the Hustletics leggings and how similar they are. They're actually literally like the same design. It's just like the material is different. But I do find the Hustletics is super stretchy. Like it's actually insane. But it's at the same time compressive. It's the perfect combination. And you can see it's about a 7/8 length on me, and I'm 5'7", so yeah, which I don't mind. I don't mind a 7/8 length. I actually like it better than having a bunch of fabric bunched up. So yeah, that's how it fits me. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this set. I personally loved it, so thumbs up to myself. Looking in the mirror. I'm trying to upload as many videos as I can before I get super busy in the summer, so that notification bell on so you never miss any of my videos, because there's lots coming. I promise. And yeah, see you next video. See ya.